Hi, my name is Jennifer Lee and I'm from Canadian Construction. Welcome to my home building series on how to build or renovate your home. In behind me is a wall that Canadian has actually made for a client, so I'm really excited to be filming in this space. So let's get down to it. Why should you be watching this video series? Well, these are 3 reasons why you should know how to renovate or build your home. So reason number 1, the more you're informed about building or renovating your home, the better the process is going to be. The more you know about something, the easier it is in life. So if you know a lot about building or renovating your home, you're going to know exactly what steps you need to take to achieve your goal, which of course is living in your brand new space. So that is a huge reason why you should be informed. The next reason, again, is being informed of who you're hiring. So important, so you make sure that you don't hire the wrong person. And you want to make sure you hire a great architect, great contractor, great interior designer, and the process is going to go a lot more smooth if you hire the right professionals, because they're going to listen to what you want and they are going to create a beautiful home for you. And reason number 3 is learning how not to cut corners. And that is the biggest one. I've had a lot of people ask me, well, how can I renovate my home cheap or build a cheap home? Which the cheap word is not really that great in construction, because the thing is, you can build a great home for a great price. You just want to make sure that you're not cutting corners and making it cheap to save an extra buck, because that's actually going to hinder you down the road. Because if you save money now on, say, something like a roof, well, that roof might not last you 5 to 10 years. So you want to be very careful in what you're doing and what you're cutting corners on. Or if you're like, oh, I don't need an extra coat of paint, and then all of a sudden you're repainting again in a year. So we'll discuss all those things, but the important thing is hiring the right professionals. They're gonna get the job done and are gonna guide you in the right direction. So there you go. And another reason to watch this is, of course, because me and my family are going to appear on this. We have had our construction company for over 22 years. My brother and father are very knowledgeable. They are the ones that are building the houses from the ground up, and of course, coming to your home to renovate as well. So they are going to pop on this channel from time to time, and I'm going to interview a lot of my friends in the industry, architects, interior designers, to make sure we cover all the hard questions that you want to know the answer to. So there you go. Looking forward to it.